Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Mastery Made Simple channel. Today going to discuss about a list operation in Python. A list in the Python is a collection of items stored in order. List are mutable, meaning the element can be changed. My list within square bracket 10, 20, 30, 40. List method in Python append add an element at the end of the list. Number 1 2 3 number dot append of 4 print numbers. Let's see the output. 1 2 3 4. Insert on the element at the specific position. Numbers 1 to 4. Number insert to east colon 3. Print numbers. Let's see the output. 1 2 3 4. The second position of the element is 3. Already 1 to 4 is there. Now I am going to insert the element 3, the second position, starting the index 0 and 1. Second position is the value is 3. Extend, add the multiple element to the list. A12, B34, A dot extend B, print A. What will do? The two list element added to single element. The B element is added to the A list. Let's see the output. 1 2 3 4 output. The two list, the first one A list 1 2, second one B list 3 4. 3 4 added to the first list. Remove the specific element. Numbers 10 20 30. Number dot remove 20. Print numbers. Let's see the output. Maybe the output is 10 30, because of 20 need to remove. 1030 output. Pop remove on the element using the index. Based on the index, remove the element numbers equal to 10, 20, 30. Number dot pop of 1. Print numbers. Let's see the output. 10 and 30 because the index is 0, 1, 2. So 20 is removed from the list. Pop is also one type of removed, but based on the index value. But remove is based on the value, specific value. But in index based remove, use the index. Clear, remove all element number 1, 2, 3. So number dot clear, print numbers. The output may be clear the list, so we will get the empty list. Index, return the index position number 10, 20, 30. Print a number index of 20, so output is 1. Return the index position, so let's see the output is 1. Count the repeated elements number 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. Print number dot count of 2. So how many 2 is there in the list? Output 2. 2 is available in the list, so showing that output is 2. sort the list. So number 4132. So number dot sort method used. Print numbers. So output 1 2 3 4. Reverse the list. So number 1 2 3 and number dot reverse print numbers. Output 3 2 1.
Boom, boom, robo.
The output is 3 2 1. Copy the list. A 1 2 3 B equal to A dot copy. The entire list element move to the B element. The B element already empty or already available, but these elements copy to B object. Print of B. Output 1 2 3. B contain the list. That list have the element of copy of A elements 1 2 3. Traversing a list. Traversing means visiting the each element one by one using the for loop number 10 20 30 40. For item in numbers, print item. So for is mainly used for the iterating or read the element from the list. Let's see the output. 10 20 30 40. Using index 10 20 30 for I in range of items. I in range of len of numbers, print numbers of I. Let's see the output, how it will work on the code using the index. Output 10, 20, 30. Just iterating the value based on the index position. Just showing the output. Code is working fine. Searching a list. Searching means is the finding whether on element existing linear search number 10, 20, 30 and 40 key equal to 30 found default false found equal to false. For item in numbers, if item equal to key found equal to true break. If found, print the element is found, else is a element is not found. Let's see the output. The element is found because the 10, 20, 30, 40 the element list items 30 is contained in the list, so output is element is found. Sorting list is ascending order. Sorting arrange the element in the ascending order or descending order. Ascending order number equal to 5 to 8 1. Number dot sort, print the numbers. Let's see the output. Maybe the output is 1 2 5 8. Let's see what is output, how it will work. Yes, the code is working fine. So 1 2 5 8 output. Descending order number equal to 5 2 8 1. Number equal to sort dot reverse equal to true. Print numbers. Descending, that means 8 5 2 1. Maybe the output. Let's see how it will work on the code. Yes, 8 5 2 1. So output, already guess the output. It's a built-in function used with the list function and descriptions. Len list, return the length, max list largest element, min list smallest element, sum list sum of the element. Example code number equal to 10 20 30. Print numbers, len of numbers, max of numbers, min of number, sum of numbers. 3 30 10 60. 3 is a length of the number, min of number 30, sorry, max of number, min of number 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Click on the bell symbol for further video updates.